I think it was Elvis who said an empty campsite is like a blank canvas. So many possibilities. I'm at Willow River State Park outside of Hudson, Wisconsin today for a one night. And this site is quite big for a state park. Usually it's pretty small, but lots of room to figure out where I'm going to put a tent. And do some cooking. And we're all set up. Got the charcoal going for the meal that's going to happen shortly. And the tent. I went with the big tent this time. Because why not? With the cot. Table and chair. Just because you're camping doesn't mean you can't have a little luxury. Most of the summer I've been on the ground in the smaller tent this time. Larger tent probably next time too, because next week I think it's going to rain and get colder. And I'll have more time to put up a bigger tent like I did today. So, different situations. All right. So, really couldn't figure out what I wanted to make tonight, but I had some extra veggies in the fridge. Mushrooms, onions, green peppers. Always good with anything. A little bit of EVO, as someone says, just a touch. And I was looking for this frozen steakum type thing, but I couldn't find any. But I did get this beef instead, and this will work just fine. Pull it apart here. It's gonna be Philly steaks. Well, we're in Hudson, so I guess they're Hudson steaks. Sandwiches. Little 14 spice. Get it on the grill. Ooh, that looks so good. Pull that. As bees in my face. A real bee. So now I gotta figure out how to toast a bun on there, which should be easy. Olive oil spray. Oh, that went everywhere. I'm sure it'll be just fine. We're gonna throw this on here. Toast that bun and then load it up. Now the last step will be to try to melt some of this cheese on here. Alright, cheese melted, not as much as you would like, but you're camping, so you take what you get. Got a little bit of lettuce on here. And if you plan ahead and like mayo, stop at a gas station before you go camping. Hit it up with some mayo. It's gonna be delicious. The majestic deer. He looks like he just wants to pop into my just over there. I don't know if you can see it. Turkeys and deer. Wildlife. Quite the beautiful evening. September the 1st? Yeah, getting towards fall. Because of drought situations and stuff, some trees are already turning. There is in this park, I guess, a beautiful waterfall too, which I won't be able to get to tonight because I'm running out of sunlight, but I'll try to get there in the morning. But very calm. Pleasant evening. Okay, there's an animal over there that I'm pretty sure is a dog. There are two coyotes right in front of me. Oh, God. They're just standing guard, and I don't know if you can even see them right in front of me. This one there, and off in the distance there. They're just staring. They're not even moving. Oh, shit. Okay, well played, State Park. I thought this was a real animal from back there. And it took me some staring it down and realizing it was not moving. Evidently the beach is closed and it's guarding the beach. Yeah. Along with his friend down here. You can see the algae kind of on the beach. But yeah, I was pretty sure that these were real, and after they didn't move for a while, realized they're just standing guard for this beach. You got me. You got me. You're not so scary. So after I started walking away, there's another gentleman. Thought I was playing with my dog over there, so I'm not the only one fooled by those. They're doing their job in guarding the lake. Good job. Fake coyotes. As I get my breakfast ready, simple strawberry granola. It's premium, it says, so it has to be good. And then I'm just instant coffee. We're roughing it. Boiling water on this little guy here. That seems to work out fine. Oh, Boils water. Easy, easy. It's fizzling out. Bring down to that end. It was perfect for what I needed. It'd be so much better with bacon. This will be just fine. Time to take the tent down and get over to the waterfall because there's rain moving in. So the little clip of darkness was probably just before this clip or the clip before. Last night I woke up twice to the howling of what I thought, and yeah, I know I got psyched out by fake coyotes, but I swear they were coyotes. The second time I heard them was probably like 2 a.m. Turned the GoPro on just for a moment and caught about 4 seconds of it, but you be the judge. Heading to the falls. Wow, one thing really noticing, this is again the second day of September and the leaves are already changing. This is going to be a quick fall, I think. Mostly to do with the heat this year, which I guess was one of the hottest on record. I think we're almost to the falls. By the way, if you're still here, subscribe. I've never asked before, but if you're still here watching, that would be sweet. Well, that was quite beautiful. And something I never knew was there till a week ago. Now it's time to climb this huge hill. An escalator would be nice right about now. Thanks again for watching.